Across the Caribbean, the wet season is fading, especially across the eastern areas. It's relatively dry right now. Up towards the Greater Antilles, we have the usual frontal systems coming by, and they will begin to mix in with the warm air. So we should begin to see a few showers are scattered across parts of eastern Cuba, but even that will begin to fade as we go through Thursday. Maybe a few clouds expected for Havana by the time they get to Friday. But for the eastern Caribbean, it's relatively dry and fine. Settled weather expected for St. Vincent, Grenada, into Barbados as well. Up towards the north, the Leeward Islands, there's still a tongue of Saharan dust around, so maybe a bit hazy at times for St. John's and Bastille. But for the Greater Antilles, that presence of that frontal system will continue to bring a few clouds and maybe a few showers towards Kingston, as well as Port-au-Prince and Santo Domingo. Meanwhile, Havana staying mostly cloudy, and they'll be expecting a few more showers by the time they get to Friday. So that's your Caribbean travel forecast, and that's it from me.